Our topic today will be cells. This is actually like our first unit for 7th grade, so I kind of wanted to like try it out. And a lot of these activities I usually do, but not like tech version, so we're gonna, okay, this is what you see. Am I good? Okay. Cool. All right, good morning. Today, we're gonna be starting off, just like we talked about yesterday, Unit 1, cells. Have a little joke for you today, joke of the day. This will make more sense probably in about 2 days, but one cell said to the other cell, I don't know how to multiply. The other says, it's easy, silly, just divide. Any ideas what that could mean? Tim? Yes.
Because cells like multiply, because they're
like they sit up at the board and they say like 2 times 2 equals.
Like you're looking at a cell in a microscope and it's like the numbers are multiplying, and it's like the number of cells is multiplying.
Okay, very good. When we talk about cells, we're not talking about our cell phones. First thing I'd like you to do, number 1 up here. You should all be at my page too. Click on this link right here, wallwisher.com. What you're going to do, you can make 1 sticky note or you can make 2 sticky notes. We're going to do a KWL tech version, updated version. 1 sticky note, tell me what you know about cells. Something like maybe cells are really small, anything that you know. Second thing, any questions that you have about cells, something you're interested in, something you're unclear about. Go ahead and write them up there. You're going to have to put your name in at the top, and I'm going to approve it, hopefully. We'll just take about 3 minutes and do that. Doesn't have to be extensive. I'm not expecting anything. You're going to go ahead and say skip and get started. Very good. Tim, what phase is your cell in? There it is. Okay. Okay. So we are good. All right. All about cells. There we go. Whoa. All right. Basic unit of life. Cells are alive. A few people put that on your wall wisher. You knew it was alive. Jason thought maybe everything was made of cells, but we know things like your desk, your computer, things that aren't living, not made of cells. Bummer. All organisms, anything that's living, made up of at least 1 cell. Unicellular, any guesses what this might mean? 1, unique, very good. 1. Any other words you know of that start with uni?
Unicorn.
Unicycle? Unicorn? Very good. Unibrow. Perfect.
Jason has a unibrow.
Very good. Unicellular, perfect. So these are animals, or they're organisms, they're living things made up of just 1 single itty bitty cell. Multicellular, any guesses?
Many cells.
Many cells, very good. This is $1 billion. Found a picture of it. I'd like to have that someday. Probably won't. Multicellular, very good. Made up of more than 1 cell, even billions of cells. Each tiny little cell can carry out many functions like eating and reproducing. So even if an organism is just 1 cell big, it can do a lot of the things that we do. It eat, reproduce, they can move. How do they do it? That's what we're going to be looking at today. So that's kind of an overview of the first chapter in your book, just so we get out of the textbook a little bit. Uh-oh. I lost me again. There we go. Next thing. This site is so cool. Have you been to it? Okay. Any guesses? How big is a cell? Big as the finger? You think it's like as big as your finger?
Like the thumbnail.
As big as your thumbnail? Okay. You think it's a dot? Like how big of a dot?
A dot that you put on your paper.
Okay, so like a ballpoint pen dot. Any other guesses? Yes.
So different cells, we different kinds of cells, we different sizes.
Absolutely. Other guesses? How big is the cell? All right, we're gonna check it out. Those were good guesses. All right, we're zooming in here. It's a human hair. We did a little bit about millimeters, things that you have to survive. What would you die if you didn't have? And I'm not talking like, I'm going to die if I don't get the new iPhone or iPod. What do you actually...
Justin Bieber is not married to you. Oh my God, you should put that on YouTube and we'll come visit you.
Jason?
Water.
Water, very good. Tim, what's something else you need to survive?
Air.
Cereal? More or less specific than cereal.
Carbohydrates.
Okay, I'll take it. Kelly, something else?
Chocolate.
How about we'll just say food in general?
Yeah.
So cereal, carbohydrates, chocolate, Pop-Tarts, very good. Maybe not all the best things that you could put in your body, but that's okay. Cheetos probably again. Something else you need to survive?
Shelter.
Shelter, okay. Air, very good.
I think she's a deer.
Some of us need beer. Okay, eyes and ears up here, please. Anything else you need to survive? We got food, we got water, we got air, we need to breathe,
And shelter.
and shelter. Okay, very good. What about a city or a school? What do these need to function well? For example, think about how you get to the store, who brings you the mail every day, who pays for things, how does the city get its money, or how does the school get its money? Tim?
Power plant.
Power plant? Excellent. Everything to run your computers and your iPods and plug in, charge up your phones every day. Electricity from the power plant, very good. Someone from the back row? Someone from the back row, something that a city needs to function? A city? Mm-hmm. Any ideas?
Takes place right here in the beautiful and developed excellent state.
Okay, very good.
Ooh.
Another volunteer to read the second paragraph. I just picked you out special from the crowd. Tim, do you want to volunteer?
Right now, this land is empty and just waiting to be built upon. We need you, the cellular architect, to construct a cell city right here on this land. You will need to complete several tasks and ultimately construct your city.
Very good. So just like we were talking about, things that you need to survive can be similar to things a city or a school needs to provide to survive. We have to do things like we have to drink water or Gatorade or Kool-Aid or whatever kids drink. In the same way, cities have to have some sort of plumbing to bring us